Double check fucking seat belts, handbrake. This one here's a fucking bastard. That was tidy though. Alright, avoid the big magnetic fucking rock on the left. We all allowed that. Right, not in the fucking river today. Hey, Satana! It was a little bit slow through there, but it wasn't too bad. None of it's been completely flat out yet, but it's fucking tricky section out the way at least. Percole's pond was tidy. Scrub a tiny bit of speed off before this fucking horrible bit. Satana's chicane. Oh, fucking playing an ad and oh, it's 5 minutes away, we're all good. I should have fucking checked. Someone remind me before the next run to fucking check it's not going to play an ad over the top. I'm pretty sure it's 5 minutes away, we're all good. I can't really look at the other screen though, I'll die. Oh fuck. Terve Momo, Jumalauta. That was slightly further than I thought to the next corner. I probably could have done with third a bit earlier. Oh fuck. The swamp of Satana. The fucking valley of Percole. Well, it was close. Holy fucking shitballs. Holy fuck. That was a pretty decent run. I don't know what the time's going to be like, but it was tidy at least. Hey, how's it going, Snowbait? Yeah, got the gear indicator working. I can send you the code over for it if you want, it's dead easy. Now, if you hit them during the rally, they're fair game, it's all good. 10th. We're definitely not first. Oh, we're not far off though. Fucking 7 seconds. That's fucking reasonable enough.